Greens one all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Gonna get the trail cam up, ready to go. I did bring the whole box. Probably not a good idea considering the extra weight, but you know, whatever. I just grabbed it and threw it in the bag. Get you down here. Get the tree strap ready. They give you quite a bit. So what I did, I went by my local Fred Meyer. It's a grocery store chain here in the Pacific Northwest, and I picked up a bike lock. This is like $11. And then I got 8 AA batteries for the camera. Which I could have put the batteries in there before I left the house, but for sake of video and so you guys can see it going in, decided just to bring the whole thing out and film it. Plus I had to stop and buy batteries, so. And of course I'll pack out all my garbage, because that's what I would normally do anyway. I guess you can't see that, can you? I'm wondering though how long the batteries are going to last with the cold temperatures out here. They don't kill the camera faster than I want. So that could be a concern. I may be spending a lot of money on batteries if that's the case. It is what it is, I guess. I probably could have gotten lithium ones that last longer, but alright, so make sure it's off. Right, it is. Get the where'd it go? Oh, right here. Now I didn't bring this in, check it, to see if it was going to fit. Because ideally what I want is to go through this hole where the so people won't be able just to walk off with the camera. You know, I was thinking in the car, it's kind of a shame that we have to actually think that way nowadays, but you know, I'm on a neighborhood community page at home, and I see posts all the time, people stealing mailbox, or breaking into mailboxes, stealing packages off the porch. So it's like, well, what are you gonna do? Now, if this doesn't fit, and that comes with free 2 free keys. If this doesn't fit, I'm just gonna return it on my way home, and just set it up anyway, and just hope for the best. It would really suck if someone came out here and saw the camera and then took it. So let's see. I'm thinking it's too wide, is what I'm honestly thinking right now. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way that's gonna go through. Crap. Should have brought it into the store with me and I didn't. Yeah, see. Well, looks like I'm getting my $11 back. Nah, no biggie. Let's go hang this guy up anyway. And we'll turn it on and we'll see what kind of footage down the road we're going to get. I'm hoping for some nice shots. Fingers crossed. I'm just going to leave all the protective plastic on there for now. I feel like it's the best move. Although I might get clear pictures if I took it off, but... Alright, let's get to it. So I'm thinking that this tree here in the middle of your screen, right here, would be suitable because of all the foliage around it. I'm thinking right here. As I drop it. Oh, you know what? I think it's upside down. Okay. Be around. I really wish that bike lock had worked out. Wow, come on, man. Okay. Getting a little ahead of myself. I'm a little excited. There we go. Let's see. I'll zoom in on that. I like how well camoed that is. Kind of set those here. Hey, you can hardly even see it. Okay, so the camera, this camera is basically right in front, almost level with the trail cam, so that's about the view we'd see. So there's this tree here in a way, but we'll see if it makes a difference. I'm hoping not, but yeah, so I'll come and turn it on as I'm leaving, and as I walk away it should be filming, it should be recording me, so we still get something on there. I'm hoping I could catch some elk. I kind of want to move it up a little bit, but I also want it to be unseen by people, so. Alright, as I was coming up, well, I just left camp, doused my ashes, and I'm gonna, and you can't really even see this camera unless you're actively looking. Let's turn the sucker on. Barely see the button because it's down so far. I don't want to break any branches. So, well, it's all the way over. Alright. we go. I guess we'll see how that does. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching. I do. I thank you for all your comments, sticking with me, good and bad. Yeah. It's funny, last time I was here, there's just ice everywhere, and now it's all gone. There's a fire pit right there, which I suspected there was. We have some plans for out here at some point. So, anyway. I will catch you in the next video. I do 5 a week, so it's not like there's not any content coming. So, knock on wood. And yeah, so we'll see you next time.